2024 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.